Sabi ko, kilala mo siya, ma'am? Yes, I appointed her. And then naisip ko, oh my God, ang tagal na nun, ma'am. Ma'am, this is an autocracy already. Idol mo ba si Putin? Okay. After our event this afternoon, I'll be sure to call my friends in Congress and say na, palitan na natin ang pangalan ng PAO. It's Persida Acosta Office. No. I have a message. I have a speech. I need to be paid. No, I need to work. I need to work for my salary. Sabi ko, kilala mo.